What do you have, bro?
What do you have? It's a mix. Mango and mango. Okay, spicy. I want it spicy. Yeah. Chili. Yes, please. It's moving, bro. Oh, it's not the one chopped, huh? Hey! Like, we call it halo-halo in the Philippines. Halo-halo.
What do you want? Come here. Hi. Because you're gonna pay. I don't know.
Come on, here, park here.
Come on. Oh no, come here. Park.
My daughter. Come on, he's gonna pay. Diga. Oh, yeah. Hello.
What do you have?
A mango, they have mango.
What did you get, Dad?
Mango, spicy. Ah, oh.
Lotte?
How much? How much?
5.
Oh, 5 ka na ha.
What? Do you have those?
Wala.
Bag mo? Cash, Dad. You have the cash.
Please, give me, sige. I think I have, hindi tayo naman.
Sorry, what do you have?
This one is good, kind of
Nice.
spicy. Sarap po.
Can I get one of those, please?
Sarap.
Oh, sorry. Oh, good.
Oh, yeah, that one. Huh?
You want to try that?
Yeah.
Where's Ali?
Balik sila. Gym. Oh, hindi ka nagsimba. Hey!
Your favorite daughter is here.
Nice, nice.
Thanks, Dad.
What do you call that one?
Bare.
Marek?
Bare.
Barek.
Yeah.
Wow.
Can I have a spoon, bro? Spoon.
Yan na, wala akong barya.
Dad, Mom. Hey, cash. You asked. Dad, go. You have
Tignan,
cash.
I'll check.
Check. 4? Oh, thank you. Sagot mo na. Thank you to. Agad. Yan na, kulang yata ako.
Oh, God. Oh,
Just give me 10, bro. No, no, take it. Take it. Look your cup. Alright, ito. Parang Pinas lang. Bye, bro. Thanks.